Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth, no-nonsense product insights. Today, we're bringing you the best tank top Racerback running shirt on the market right now, the CRZ Yoga's Seamless Women's Breathable Workout Tank Top. If you're looking for a high-performance, no-compromise athletic top, stay tuned because this one checks all the boxes. Let's kick it off with the design. This tank is part of CRZ Yoga's Seamless collection, which means it's crafted for ultimate comfort during intense workouts. Whether you're hitting the pavement or working out indoors, this material actively pulls moisture away from your body, keeping you dry and focused. Another standout feature is the seamless construction. No more chafing, no more irritation. The tank is engineered to eliminate pressure points, making it ideal for long runs or extended training sessions. The slim fit contours the body without feeling too tight, and the waist length sits perfectly, not too short, not too long. It strikes a great balance between athletic performance and flattering fit. Speaking of performance, CRZ Yoga didn't forget about those high sweat zones. This tank includes mesh ventilation zones strategically placed under the arms and on the back. These mesh panels allow for increased airflow, helping with faster drying and cooler workouts. That makes it a top pick for high-intensity routines and hot weather. It's also worth mentioning that the top comes without a built-in bra. This gives you the flexibility to layer it with your favorite sports bra depending on the support you need. For those who like to customize their workout outfit, this is a major plus. The closure type is simple, pull on and go. It's designed to make getting dressed for your workouts a breeze. And it's machine washable, which means you can keep it fresh with minimal effort, even if you're wearing it every other day. As for size options, CRZ Yoga offers a generous range, from XX small all the way to extra large. It's clear they've made an effort to be inclusive and ensure a snug and supportive fit for women of all sizes. Color-wise, you're not limited either. While we're focusing on the classic black today, there are multiple shades available to match your personal style or workout wardrobe. So to wrap this up, if you're on the hunt for a sleek, breathable, high-neck Racerback tank that doesn't compromise on comfort or function, the CRZ Yoga Seamless Women's Tank Top is an unbeatable choice. From the seamless stitching to the moisture-wicking mesh zones and the flattering slim fit, it's designed to move with you and support your most intense sessions. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive. Got questions or want us to review another piece of gear? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, keep training smart and stay strong.